Good evening everyone. There is a topic of 9th standard and this is exercise 23C of 9th class. Student, this is 23 chapter. 23A and 23B we have already done and same concept and result used in this exercise. Now we start. Question number first, solve the following equation for A if 2 sin A equal to 1. वी हैव सोल्व दिस क्वेश्चंस फॉर ए मीन्स फाइंड द वैल्यू ए। हमने ए की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी जो एंगल ए गिवन है वहाँ से सेम हमारे पास जो टेबल है ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल टेबल जहाँ से हम ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक्स जो एंगल्स हैं 0 to 90 तक के एंगल्स वहाँ से वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करते हैं वो यूज करेंगे। 2 sin A equal to 1 then we can write this sin A equal to 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 value of sine at what angle 30 degree sin A 1 by 2 on 30 degree sin 30 and sin 30 equal to 1 by 2 तो हम 1 by 2 को क्या लिख सकते हैं sin 30 then sin A equal to sin 30 then this implies that angle A equal to 30 then value of A equal to 30. Part number third, sin 3A equal to root 3 by 2. First we write sin 3A equal to root 3 by 2 and value of sin root 3 by 2 value of sin at 60 degree then we write this sin 60 degree root 3 by 2 equal to sin 60 then sin 3A equal to sin 60 value of 3A equal to 60 and value of A equal to 60 by 3 that is 20 A equal to 20 then value of A equal to 20. Same cotangent we write this cotangent to A first we take root 2 on a right side then 1 by root 3. Again cotangent to A equal to 1 by root 3 and 1 by root 3 value of cotangent at 60 degree cotangent 60 degree then cotangent to A equal to cotangent 60 degree then 2A equal to 60 and A equal to 30 value of A equal to 30. Question number second, calculate the value of A if sin A minus 1 and next factor 2 cos A minus 1 equal to 0. There is a product of two factors. यहाँ पे दो टर्म्स हमारी इस टाइप से गिवन है, इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट कैसे है 0। जब दो टर्म्स का प्रोडक्ट 0 है तो क्या है आइदर दिस इक्वल टू 0 और दिस इक्वल टू 0, ये 0 या फिर ये 0 देन वी राइट फर्स्ट है sin A minus 1 equal to 0 or 2 cos A minus 1 equal to 0. We find the value of A. Sin A, we write this sin A equal to 1 and value of 1 sin 90 sin 90 1 वैल्यू साइन कहाँ पे लेगा 90 देन 1 इक्वल टू sin 90 1 को हम sin 90 भी लिख सकते हैं sin A equal to sin 90 then A equal to 90 degree or 2 cos A equal to 1 cos A equal to 1 by 2 1 by 2 value of cos 1 by 2 value of cos 60 cos 60 then cos A equal to cos 60 and A equal to 60 degree value of A या तो 90 degree और 60 degree. The next part number 4th of second question, cos 3A into 2 sin 2A minus 1 equal to 0. First either cos 3A equal to 0 or 2 sin 2A minus 1 equal to 0. When cos 3A equal to 0 value of cos at 90 degree cos 90 then cos 3A equal to cos 90 and 3A equal to 90 then A equal to 30 value of A equal to 30. Next is 2 sin 2A minus 1 equal to 0 then sin 2A equal to 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 value sin 30 then sin 2a equal to sin 30 and 2a equal to 30, value of a equal to 15, value of a 30 or 15. Okay, the next question. Question number 3. If 2 sin x minus 1 equal to 0 and x is an acute angle, find sin x degree and x degree. When 2 sin x minus 1 given equal to 0, with the help of this, first we find sin x and x. First we take this 2 sin x degree minus 1 equal to 0. Then sin x degree equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 value of sin 30. Then x degree is equal to 30. First we write sin x degree equal to 1 by 2, value of this 1 by 2, and x degree equal to 30, value of this 30. Next is part number 3rd, cos x degree and tangent x degree. In first part we find the value of x degree 30, then cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2, and tangent x degree means tangent 30, and tangent 30 equal to 1 by root 3. The next part number 4, question number 4. If 4 cos square x minus 1 0, angle lie between 0 to 90, find x degree and sin square x plus cos square x. First with the help of this we find x degree. We take 4 cos square x degree minus 1 equal to 0, then cos square x degree equal to 1 by 4 and cos x degree, हम ये बोथ साइड क्या करेंगे स्क्वायर रूट, तो प्लस माइनस क्या आएगा 1 बाई 2. माइनस 1 बाई 2 हम रिजेक्ट करेंगे क्योंकि 0 to 9 तक जो कोस है वो कैसी वैल्यू लेगा, पॉजिटिव वैल्यू. देन रिजेक्ट माइनस, देन कोस एक्स डिग्री इक्वल टू 1 बाई 2 एंड 1 बाई 2 वैल्यू ऑफ कोस 60, cos 60, देन x डिग्री इक्वल टू 60. फर्स्ट पार्ट में हमारी वैल्यू क्या निकली है 60. फॉर सेकेंड पार्ट पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ x 60 डिग्री, साइन स्क्वेयर 60 प्लस कोस स्क्वेयर 60, साइन 60 रूट 3 बाई 2 होल स्क्वेयर, कोस 60 1 बाई 2 स्क्वेयर, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 4 by 4, and this equal to 1. Then part number 3 of this question, say 1 by cos square 60 minus tangent square 60. 1 by cos 60, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 square, then 2 by 1, 2 by 1 का square minus tangent 60 root 3 square, and this implies that 2 square 4 minus root 3 square 3, and this equal to 1. Next is question number 7. If 2 cos 2a equal to root 3 and a is an acute angle, find a. First we write this 2 cos 2a equal to root 3, then cos 2a equal to root 3 by 2, and root 3 by 2 value of cos 30 degree, cos 30, then 2a equal to 30 and a equal to 15. In first part we find a and a equal to 50. Next sin 3a, sin 3 into a in place of a 15, and this equal to sin 45, and sin 45 equal to 1 by root 2. Next is part number 3rd, sin square 75 minus a plus cos square 45 plus a, and value of a equal to 15. Then put value of a, sin square 75 minus 15 plus cos square 45 plus 15, and this implies that sin square 60 plus cos square 60, sin 60 root 3 by 2 square plus cos 60 1 by 2 square, and this equal to 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 and 4 by 4, and this equal to 1. The next question, Question number 9. From the given figure, find cos x degree, and this type. And this is a right angle triangle, right angled at a B, and AB equal to y centimeter, BC 10 centimeter, and AC equal to 20 centimeter. First we find cos x degree. Cos x degree. According to this angle, this is base perpendicular hypotenuse, and what is cos? Cos is base by hypotenuse. Base 10, 10 by 20, and this equal to 1 by 2. First part clear. Cos x degree equal to 1 by 2. Next is x degree. Then 1 by 2 value of cos 60, and this implies that x degree equal to 60. Part number second clear. X equal to 60. Then third part, 1 by tangent square 60 minus 1 by sine square 60, and this equal to 1 by tangent 60 root 3 square minus 1 by sine 60 sin root 3 by 2 then 2 by root 3, क्योंकि रेसिप्रोकल में है रूट 3 और यहाँ पे 2 और इस कंप्लीट है स्क्वेयर. 1 by 3 minus 2 by 2 square 4 by 3, and this equal to minus 3 by 3, and cancel out this equal to minus 1. Value of this equal to minus 1. Next use tangent x to find the value of y. y की वैल्यू हम पाइथागोरस से भी फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, बट फर्स्ट इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी यूज tangent x. Tangent x equal to tangent, what is tangent? Perpendicular by base, perpendicular y and base equal to 10, and value of x is 60 equal to y by 10, and tangent 60 root 3 equal to y by 10, and cross multiply y equal to 10 root 3. Then next question number 11. Find the magnitude of angle A if 2 sin A cos A minus 2 sin A plus 1 equal to 0. हमने A की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. स्टूडेंट दिस क्वेश्चन इज सेम लाइक क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड. फर्स्ट वी मेक फैक्टर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन, आफ्टर दैट वी सोल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट वी टेक फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड एंड लास्ट एंड थर्ड, लास्ट एंड फोर्थ. Cos x, cos A common in both terms, then we take cos A common. Then 2 sin A minus 1 common, 2 sin A minus 1 equal to 0. 2 sin A minus 1, 2 sin A minus 1, 2 sin A minus 1 common, then cos A minus 1 equal to 0. Then this equal to 0, 2 sin A minus 1 equal to 0, or cos A minus 1 equal to 0. सेम लाइक क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड. अब दो का प्रोडक्ट 0 है, या तो ये 0 या ये 0. When this 0, then sin A 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 value of sin 30, then A equal to 30. Same cos A equal to 1 when value of cos 0, then A equal to 0 degree. Value of A 30 or 0. Next part number third, 2 cos square A minus 3 cos A plus 1. This is a quadratic in cos. जैसे वेरिएबल x में हमारी क्वाड्रेटिक होती थी, सेम क्वाड्रेटिक है इन cos है. Then 2 cos square A, फर्स्ट वी मेक है फैक्टर. हम फैक्टर बनाएंगे इसके. 2 cos square A, 3 cos A को हम लिखेंगे 2 cos A minus cos A plus 1 equal to 0. Take common cos A common, then 2 cos A minus 1 and minus 1 common cos A. You take 2 also common, 2 cos A, then cos A minus 1 common, cos A minus 1 equal to 0. Cos A minus 1 or 2 cos A minus 1 equal to 0. Product of two term equal to 0, then cos A minus 1 equal to 0 or 2 cos A minus 1 equal to 0. Then cos A equal to 1, value of cos 1 cos 0, then A equal to 0, and cos A equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2 value of cos 60, then A equal to 60 degree. Next is question number 15. If 2 cos A plus B, 2 sin A minus B equal to 1, then find the value of A and B. First we take this and this. 2 cos A plus B equal to 1 and 2 sin A minus B equal to 1. Then cos A plus B equal to 1 by 2 and sin A minus B equal to 1 by 2. Cos value 1 by 2, cos 60, then A plus B equal to 60, and sin 1 by 2 value sin 30, then A minus B equal to 30. We find the value of A and B. You take first and this. A minus B equal to 30. Solve these two equation, cancel. Then 2A equal to 90 and A equal to 45. Value of A 45. You put the value of A in this equation. 45 minus B equal to 30. Then 45 minus 30 equal to B. Value of B equal to 15 degree. Value of A 45, value of B 15. So with the help of this video, you complete your exercise.